Good morning, everyone. I'm coming to you from in front of the 400-year-old Botley Grange Hotel. And if this entrance looks a bit spooky, it's probably because it is. Legend has it that the ghosts of Elizabeth and Mary still haunt these hallowed halls. So you might ask what the story of 400-year hotels and the ghosts of Mary and Elizabeth has to do with building an international business. I think the insight for me is that coming to an old country like the UK, it has a past, it has a history. And when you're building a business and you're rolling out in new territories, you should never forget that history and that past and where you come from. And as much as you need to adapt and be flexible and responsive to new markets, it's also important to retain the DNA and the culture and the impetus that made your business what it is, and take some of that into your new markets.